Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up Coinbase Wallet on your iPhone. First, head to the Apple App Store and download the official Coinbase Wallet application. Once installed, open it up and select the option to create a brand new wallet. Remember, Coinbase Wallet is a self-custody solution, meaning you control your private keys, which is different from the Coinbase Exchange account. Next, you will be presented with your 12-word recovery phrase. This phrase is incredibly important as it is the master key to your funds. Write it down precisely on paper and store it in a secure, private place like a safe. Do not store it digitally and absolutely never share it with anyone, as they would gain full access to your assets. To further secure your wallet and make access convenient, you will set up a 6-digit PIN. Following that, enable biometric security features like Face ID or Touch ID, depending on your iPhone model. These options provide a quick and secure way to unlock your wallet, protecting your digital assets from unauthorized access, even if your phone is lost or stolen. Finally, it's time to fund your new wallet. You can easily connect your existing Coinbase Exchange account to transfer cryptocurrency directly. Alternatively, use the Receive function to get assets from other wallets or exchanges. With your wallet funded, you are ready to explore the world of decentralized applications, collect non-fungible tokens, and manage your digital assets with full control.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.